with the stamp set that comes in your box of the month and your junior box for December. This is all the snuggles. I'm going to do a little masking to create a little scene. I've stamped out my couple and some Ink-a-Dink-a-Doo stamp mask paper. You could also make your own masking paper with like a post-it note and some repositionable glue. So I'm going to try to stay within the black line. You're going to want to move your paper instead of your scissors. I'm just going to peel the backing away, and I like to stick it on my hand just to get some of that stick off. That way it doesn't pull up my paper at all. So after you stamp out your image, you're going to want to put the mask on top. And then whatever you want behind your image, you're going to stamp it. You're going to stamp that second. So I want my little couple in front of this window. And you want to make sure you press close to where the mask is and make sure all the ink is applied. Okay, now we can take off our mask and reveal our scene. I like to save the mask for future use, so I'll just stick it behind my stamp set. I'm going to have my sentiment, "Let's stay in," right here at the bottom, underneath our couple. Let's go ahead and ink up our sentiment. Okay, now we can color in our image. We're going to use E11, E00, and E000 for our skin tone. I like to use my paper pads for inspiration. There's two collections that come in the box of the month. We have Cross My Heart, which has purples and reds, and we also have Winter Love, which has reds and blues. So I really think this one is going to look super cute with some red and blue. So I'm going to take the paper pad, put it off to the side, and use this for inspiration. Here's a cute little image you can take inspiration from and kind of match your little scene. So I think the little hearts will look super cute with some red and cream. So I'm using R27. And then I'm going to use E43. This color matches the creams inside the paper perfectly. I'm going to do the heart on her sweater red. I'll do the inside a little bit lighter, R24. And I'm going to do her sweater cream. I'm taking inspiration from the ephemera here. So what I'm going to do is find a lighter color. So I have E41. Okay, so now I want to do a little bit of the blue, like his sweater. I'm I'm going to take BG72. I'm going to do a few stripes in blue. And then I'm going to do the sweater in the same E43 and E41. Now I'm going to color the hair. I'm going to use some of this E43 for his hair. And some E11. And some E00. I'm going to add a little Y32. I'm going to color her hair brown. Let's give the outside a frosty look, B00 and B000. Okay, that is looking really cute. I'm going to finish off the card with the Winter Love paper pad. I cut out my image with a wonky stitch rectangle die. For this card, I'm going to add a piece of ephemera from the Winter Love ephemera pack. And I'm going to add that right there. I thought that just goes perfect with the image, and the colors are perfect since I matched everything. And I think I'll pop that up with some foam dimensional tape. And on the inside, I'm going to glue in a little strip just for a little decoration. It's a leftover piece from when I was cutting my papers. There we go. So really, really cute, really pretty. Perfect card to give to my husband for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take a look at the brand new releases. This box of the month is available for purchase. If you want to reserve your box for next month, choose monthly and you'll save 18% off, and it will reserve your box for the following months. You're not going to want to miss January. It is super, super cute. Stay tuned. I have another card that I did using the Winter Love paper and ephemera pack. I'm just going to play a little music so you could see the finished card. It turned out so cute, guys. I hope you guys have fun with this release. Tag me if you make any projects using hashtag #NotTooShabbyShop. I love to see your projects. Thanks so much for shopping, guys. All the links are in the description box. Take care, guys, and I'll see you next time.